rot, is that a medical term? Well, at least neurogenesis is. Neurogenesis is a word that consists of two syllables. Neuro, which means nerve cells, and genesis, which means creation or making. So it is the ability to make or develop new nerve cells. Could this mean that our brains could be rewired, and could they regrow? Well, technically, yes. Unfortunately, there is a misconception in some people that the brain stops developing when someone becomes an adult, which is not true. For example, this area right here, the hippocampus, the memory center in the brain, is the one that is responsible to store all your new skills, your experiences, your gained vocabulary, and so on. And this is done through something called neuroplasticity, the ability of the neurons to form newer bonds and connections in order to accommodate these newer experiences. So the more better skills that you learn, the more you fix your sleeping schedule, the more languages you learn, the more skills you get, is somehow a way to regrow and to rewire your brain and to trigger neurogenesis. On the contrary, if you stop exposing your brain to better experiences, better skills, better sleeping schedule, you tire out your brain, and of course you stop exercising it. Like any other organ in the body, it will weaken and the connections between the neurons will dull out. And I think this is where the word brain rot comes from. So